shake them, and whoop, what did you see there, Sluggo? Yeah, we saw something and we got a little distracted by it. Okay, Sluggo, here we go. Take that, Mr. Bill, and slam! Just like that. Yeah, that's what these guys do out there in the wild. They actually pick up those lizards. This helps break the bones, kind of tenderizes the meat, and bam! Just as hard as they can. Basically makes the lizard into a soft, squishy package that they can swallow in one big gulp. Oh. All right, Mr. Bill's gonna have a headache here soon, Sluggo.